we go.
Hey guys, Eric here with Carolina Autos again. And I wanted to start a video series here on kind of the back end of YouTube, especially now that I have 1,000 subscribers and got the channel monetized. Just want to talk through kind of like what you can expect when you hit that 1,000 subscribers and daily revenue, kind of what are my best performing videos so far. I know it's not much right now, but I think I'd like to do like a monthly series on this, or maybe every other month, as I gain subscribers and put out more content. And yeah, just go through kind of like how is the channel performing on views, revenue, watch time. What are my most popular videos in that period, just so everyone can kind of get an understanding of how all this YouTube Studio stuff on the back end works. So if you click up here on your account, you'll just want to go, if you're on YouTube, it'll say YouTube Studio. You go to YouTube Studio. If you're uploading videos, you probably know this already. But yeah, so we can see in the last 28 days, I've gained 30 subscribers, about a subscriber a day, and about the same amount of money, $34. I had one day where for some reason I got like $3 instead of the usual $1. So not much revenue yet, but hey, it's actually generating some revenue. You know, that's a tank of gas a month, so that's nice. Not that I'm relying on this revenue, but you know, if it turns into that one day, I would love to do this full time. Probably will be several years before we get anywhere close to that, but not a big deal. You can see views up 14% this last month. I attribute that to obviously buying the SS. Those videos have been pretty, you know, quite a bit more popular than my last few videos. Actually, the content with the V6 Camaro took off pretty good too, so that's helping me out. Watch time is up 7%. You can see my average view duration on some of my more recent videos is up, which is good. That's the main part of your revenue function, that CPM they always talk about. Revenue's up 31%. Now, I just started earning revenue in January. So let's go over to the analytics tab here. And you can see, so last 28 days, I'm getting like 300 views or so a day, as far as just straight views. Watch time, you can click on each one of these tabs and it'll show you something different. Watch time, we're hovering between 13 and 24 hours or so a day. Gaining subscribers, you see here, losing some subscribers every now and again. Gained 5 on the day that we did the first car meet in Charlotte video. And $34. Again, it spiked up. I'm not sure. I published that one and made it live, so it premiered, and everybody, I guess, was logged in watching it live. So I had to keep track of that. It looks like that's a pretty good strategy to get revenue out of videos right up front. I don't know why that is the case, but we can expand this view now down to, you know, whatever we want, last 90 days, last 365, lifetime. So let's take it off of the... So you can see actually, back when I first bought the Veloster N is when the channel really took off. So the Veloster N sustained quite a bit of traffic back like 2 years ago. Kind of been hovering around ever since, but you can kind of just see it starting to turn up again. Been uploading more consistently. Everybody, I think, is excited about the SS content. There's going to be a lot of that coming. My top videos, this one where I bought the car from Carvana, my first Veloster Turbo, by far my most popular video. Veloster N 0 to 60, second most popular Veloster N. You see most of the most popular videos are Veloster N content. We actually have to go down pretty far so you can delve into some of these other videos. And you can see now the Carvana video sustained me for quite a while on views. And now it's really not any more popular than some of my more popular ones. So we don't get down into the Camaro content until down here, but keep in mind, these videos have been up for 2 years. So, you You know, this full review that I did of my V6 1LE car has done really well. And actually, if we go back here, let's just take a look at revenue, because that's really what I want to talk about. Like, what can you kind of truly expect from 1,000 subscribers in revenue? So we can go to the actual revenue page up here. We've got different tabs on CPM and all this stuff. You see, that video has made $6.50 in the last 28 days. Let's just do it over the last 90 days. So that video has netted me $13 by itself. The Carvana video, even though it's not getting as many views, I mean, I really wish I had the channel monetized when it was getting views. $6, so that's still getting views. The Blostrian video, $6 thereabouts. But you see the Camaro RS, the V6 videos are starting to pick up. These are much more recent videos and have already earned some money here. So just interesting to see. You can see I got the channel monetized pretty much right at the end of 2020. Big spike there. So yeah, so you can expect, you know, $1 a day from auto vlogging, at least from car videos. You see most of the income is from ad revenue, from just the skippable ads. And then we got some bumper ads, stuff on the sides, you know, ribbon ads, display ads, things like that going on. But most of it, the bulk share of it, is just the skippable ads you get in the middle of a video. And I think what happened here is somebody may have bought something or clicked on the ad and eventually bought something, because you get a kickback from that if it was displayed on your channel. So just wanted to bring you guys a quick video. If you want me to go through anything more specific on the back end of the YouTube studio, I'm more than happy to do it. And like I said, I'll make this a once a month thing where we look and see, like, how is the channel performing. Just a quick update on revenue. And I kind of want to just be open about it. And one thing that I did think was interesting, so I spend, and let's pull up a calculator here. So I spend about, all in, gas, insurance, and car payment, I spend about $900 a month between YouTube, gas for the car, insurance for the car, and the car payment itself. So we're making $34 a month. Let's say $34 a month divided by 900. So you can see that's about 3.7% that I'm getting in cash flow. Now I'm also contributing $5 a day to an Acorns account. I started doing that the first of the year, right when I started kind of thinking about buying a new car and all this stuff. And don't get me wrong, I know, first of all, money you're investing, that's your money, that's cash, that's all good. But as a percentage, I pulled it up here. So for the last 1 month, last 28 days, I have gained $19 in my invest account. I've actually gained more. Now, granted, this is an expense. This is gains against an expense, not against money invested. But I actually gained more on YouTube, as of both dollars and percentage wise, than I did here. So you can see I gained $19, which was only, less than 1%. So as the YouTube curve kicks up and as the market does better, I actually was doing a lot better than this until everybody knows, if anybody keeps up with the markets, had a rough day yesterday. Friday, the 26th, was not a great day for the market. So I actually was up about even, or closer to even, with the YouTube revenue in my stock account. So I'm going to just keep contributing $5. I'm going to keep doing YouTube, and we'll kind of compare these back and forth month to month. So hopefully you guys found that interesting. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to keep following along with the progress on the car, I've got an exhaust I'm about to order for it, and lots more car meets and stuff coming up as the weather gets nicer, and the COVID restrictions here in North Carolina are really dialing back. So if this stuff is interesting to you and you want updates on this, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.